What it do? Hope you guys are doing good. Held up to my promises. Told you guys green days were coming. Made $138 a day trading the NASDAQ. How did I do that? Let's fucking show you. We had a very similar day today as yesterday's trade. And I said yesterday that I would take that trade 10 times over, and I literally got the chance today. We had a pre-market sweep to the buy and the sell side. My bias was undecided, so I was waiting for this 15-minute opening range to get a closure out of it. We ended up getting a closure out of it, but I took a trade before. I know this looks like shit, but I promise you it actually was half solid. So, yada yada. We're tanking downwards. We sweep sell side liquidity. But within that, we created what you call BPR. I don't think I've actually taken a trade off BPR on the channel. All BPR is two overlapping fair value gaps, opposing fair value gaps, which makes like basically a hot zone for you. So what happened is I'll go to the 15-minute because you can see it better. So we have a fair value gap right here that we inverse, okay? That's number one. So like yesterday, we inverse a 15-minute fair value gap, and then it also creates, while it's inversing, it creates a 5-minute fair value gap and also another 15-minute fair value gap. So that is exactly what BPR is. We have this bullish fair value gap that it got inversed, and then on the way down, it creates another 15-minute fair value gap. It comes up and it tests that range. It actually tested the 5-minute fair value gap. So I initially took this first trade before the BPR. I took this on this break of structure here and this retracement up. I believe I used 1-minute confluences to get there. So I ended up hitting my partial zone. So I pulled out like $100 and then it reversed up and it didn't stop me out. I actually had my stops higher, but I kind of knew we were about to get stopped. So I just mitigated and pulled out my trade. So I was only up like $20. So then we have all that BPR and fair value gap motion come in, and we go up and test it perfectly. So I enter my next trade on the next 5-minute break structure, which is right here. Waited for a little tap back upwards, and I took the trade, and I was able to move that one to break even, and I hit full take profit, winning me like $120. Yeah, pretty good day. We also created another 5-minute BPR on the way down, but that never got filled. So this trade also had a strong confluence of a 5-minute inverse fair value gap, which then became a bearish imbalance. And we actually did end up coming up and filling that and getting a little bit of a retracement, but there's this 5-minute fair value gap holding it back, holding it up rather. So yeah, literally just like yesterday, 15-minute fair value gap and then filled a 5-minute fair value gap. I took the exact same trade as I did yesterday, and it worked out in my favor this time. But as you can see, we didn't get exactly to the zone I wanted to, but I will take any small win right now. I have a lot to make up for this week because of Monday or Tuesday's trade, whatever day. I just took that colossal loss on. I think it was Tuesday. But yeah, I'm very happy with today. I would take the trade again and again and again. And that BPR was fucking sexy. I mean, come on now. I wish I would have actually taken it sooner, like right here. But I was patient because I really wanted to see a break of structure. I've also added the 3-minute time frame. I just did that today. I just think that inverses are pretty strong on that, and it helped me a lot today. I think that's actually the break that I was waiting for. Yeah, I took it somewhere in here. Yeah, that is me for the day. I know these videos are kind of short, but I mean, I'm kind of been on a roll with the videos, so I'm gonna keep pumping them out. And I have a good ass idea about explaining my strategy. I don't know when I'll make that video, but it's a surprise. And I think you should really stay tuned. I can dumb it down and simplify my strategy for you. So I'm excited. With that being said, guys, I appreciate you for watching. If you have any questions, please comment. If you have any suggestions, please comment. And I'm going to put my socials again right here, over there, and up there. Yeah. All right, guys. Deuces.